Smart devices make surveillance efforts like never before. Introducing the new Wipro Smart Doorbell, which lets you keep an eye on your door easily no matter where you are. Stay connected to your home even when you are miles away with instant alerts. High-resolution 2-megapixel camera with Fresnel lens and 120-degree view angle gives a broad view of your surroundings. You can see the visitor no matter where they are standing. You can watch live streaming 24/7 on your Wipro app. Built-in advanced microphone enables two-way audio communication seamlessly. Now you can talk and listen to the visitor from your mobile itself, wherever you are. You can also record and take screenshots. Now say goodbye to the hassle of charging the doorbell again and again. Just power the Wipro doorbell with the wiring and seamlessly replace the existing calling bell. The doorbell's PIR sensor accurately detects any motion triggered by humans and sends a smart alert on your mobile immediately. You can see the person even during the night with an IR lens, which switches automatically depending on natural light. The doorbell is very easy to install with a simple and secure process. The Smart Doorbell is equipped with waterproof and dustproof design. Install the doorbell outdoor and stay assured against rain and wind. The Smart Doorbell is also a CCTV that will let you re-watch the recorded video as it serves video recording up to 128 GB. You can use the siren feature in the app to raise an alarm during any intrusion. You can hear the ringtone loud and clear in your home with the wireless door chime. Wipro Smart Doorbell, the intelligent doorbell for you and your home.